the structure of cell and cell wall modifications. Today we will start with the basic features of plasma membrane and fluid mosaic model. So let's start. So students, to know about this plasma membrane, at first we have to understand some basic features of cell membrane. So the detailed structure of cell membrane, it has been studied after the discovery of electron microscope in 1950. Then scientists deduced the possible structure of plasma membrane with the help of biochemical study. With the help of biochemical study, we understand that the cell membrane is covered with lipids and which are arranged in bilayer. I will show you the diagram where you can see that the lipid layer, it has two bilayer lipid molecules are arranged like this and forms the two bilayers that helps to provide this structure that protects the cell. The lipid, it is a polar molecule. It has globular polar head and another tail. This polar head is hydrophilic in nature and tail is hydrophobic in nature. The lipids are made up of phosphoglycerides. These are macromolecules which helps in construction of lipid. From some biochemical studies, we can reveal that the plasma membrane contains lipids, proteins and carbohydrate also. In human beings, the membrane of erythrocyte has approximately 52% protein and 40% lipid. And the proteins are classified in two basic classes. One is integral protein, another one is peripheral protein. If you look at this diagram, then the protein placed in the plasma membrane, some proteins are looks at the peripheral region. These are the peripheral protein, and some proteins that pass through the plasma membrane, these are known as integral protein. These integral proteins helps the cell to transport the minerals and nutrients inside the cell. So let's proceed. Now we will discuss about fluid mosaic model. It's the most renowned model regarding to the study of protein. Singer and Nicholson, S.J. Singer and G.L. Nicholson. In 1972, they have given this model, which is widely accepted. In the book, you will get so many informations about this model, but I will give you brief information about this model. This model states that the quasi-fluid nature of lipid enables the lateral movement of protein within the bilayer, and this ability with the overall bilayer to move within the membrane measured as its fluidity. So this model states that what the model states, I have told it. Now I will explain it in my own language, so that you can better understand that. So if we look at this diagram, then you can look at this. Here two layers are there. One lipid layer is here and another lipid layer is here. These lipid layers are made up of lipid molecules. These lipid molecules have two ends. One hydrophilic end, another one is hydrophobic end. These polar heads on the lipid molecules, I am showing you that diagram. This diagram shows that the polar heads in the lipid molecules, these polar heads are hydrophilic in nature. That means they attracts water. So that in this diagram you can look at this. The polar heads are on the outer surface of the plasma membrane, so that it can attract water. And non-polar hydrophobic tails are in the inner portion of the plasma membrane. From this structure, you can say that the protein ice bags are floating on sea of phospholipid. Look at this diagram. In this diagram, it's showing that the entire lipid bilayer, it looks like a sea, and the proteins are floating on the outer surface of this. So you can easily say that the protein icebergs or protein ice bags are floating on the sea of phospholipid. This is a quotation, it's an Ncert line. You have to remember that because it has been asked in different entrance exams. So students, thanks for watching my video till end. If you have any doubt regarding to this topic, then you can ask me that in the comment section of this YouTube video. And if you need more videos like this, then subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon to get notification of my new video. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Each and every links are given on the description box. Thank you.